All right, everybody, you are almost done with day one of GTT class. I'm going to show this video just as a couple steps of what to do for the last 4 things that you need to do here. And remember, at any point, you can pause it, rewind it, rewatch this video just to help guide you at your own pace. So step number 1 is watching this video, which is what you're doing right now. Step number 2, read through the course syllabus, which is found in Schoology. I'll open that up here in a minute and show you where it's located. Step number 3 is complete the syllabus scavenger hunt, and I'll show that also. Steps number 2 and 3 go together, so you'll really be doing those pretty much at the same time. And then you're on to step number 4, which is just submitting your quiz, and then you can sign out of our class meeting. So going through steps number 2 and 3 together here, you go to Schoology and make sure you're in your GTT course, and you'll see this beautiful picture of Mr. Misquick, and then down below is the folder Intro to Design. Click on that, and then you'll see these 2 things on your page of Syllabus and Syllabus Scavenger Hunt Quiz. So since we're going to do those together, I'm going to open both of those up at the same time to have them in tabs so that we can go back and forth. So to do that, I'm going to put my cursor over the top, take your 2 fingers and then just press down on the mouse pad to get that open, where you can click on Open Link in New Tab. Once you do that, you'll see up at the top it opens up a new tab. That way I have the syllabus open and I can start my scavenger hunt quiz and just jump back and forth. So with the quiz, there are 8 questions. All of these questions and answers will be found in the syllabus. So I would just glance at the quiz and then skim through the syllabus here until you can find your answer. All right, so now that I have the syllabus uploaded, I can scroll through this, skim through it. This is going to go through what our class is all about throughout the semester as far as the units we do, how you're being graded, the materials, champs expectations, growth mindset, and teacher contact information. So take time to look through that on your own and then obviously answer the syllabus scavenger hunt quiz. So we'll do the first one together. Number 1, grading will be primarily based on what? Knowing that this question is about grading, I'm assuming I can find it in the grading section. It is primarily based on read through it, skim through it until you can find the answer. I see it right here. Grading will be primarily based on design notebook. So I'd go back, enter in design notebook right here, and then move on to question number 2. So you have 8 questions to answer. Again, all of them are found in the syllabus. If you have any questions about how to navigate the syllabus or anything, I'm just going to stay online during class, and you can unmute your mic to ask me a question or just type it in the chat box. But otherwise, you can submit it when you're done with the quiz, and then you can sign out of class for today and wait until your next class.